Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just a tryout really. I bought myself a ring light, whoop whoop, so super professional. And so I'm just giving that a go, trying that out and trying the camera with it as well. So we're going to start off by moisturizing our face. I'm using the Garnier Moisture Bomb. Love this. It's so radiant, so beautiful, and I use this pretty much every morning and every evening. So, what we're going to do is kind of a Pride, because it's Pride Month, Pride kind of festivally kind of look. So, I'm going to use some of those, they're not stickers, they are stars, and I'm going to use the Duo Lash Glue to stick those onto my face in a kind of like freckly manner. So this took forever, and those little stars kept falling on the floor. So I've just speeded it. Speeded it? Is that a word? Speeded it. I've sped it up for you so you don't have to sit through the pain of watching me put one star on my face and drop 7,000 of them. So once we have stuck those on in a beautiful, beautiful way, and then, God, good grief, nearly died. I'm then going to grab myself a handful of brushes because we are getting funky. I have, it is summer here at the moment, and I have been boycotting wearing foundation for several reasons. One of the reasons is I have a tan and I don't have a foundation that matches, and I don't want to be spending lots of money on a foundation that does match. And to where I am tanned, it's fine. I'm happy with my skin. I don't feel like I need to cover anything. So yay, I'm all good. And if I was going to a festival, I want my makeup to be as quick and simple as possible, and yet, quirky and fun. So we are going in with the Morphe a 12p palette, which has all the colours of the rainbow that you will possibly need in this tiny little palette. And I'm grabbing one of the brushes and basically like stippling on the colours of the rainbow. So starting with the red, going in, blending it out, then going in, blending it out. So packing the colour on, blending it out, packing the colour on, blending it out, and then going in with an orange, doing the same and blending the colours together. Then we're going to go in with the yellow, then we're going to go in with the green, then we're going to go in with blue, and then we're going to go in with purple or violet, whichever you like to call it. And it is just a case of building the colours up. You can see I am going in the shape of which I laid down my freckles. So it's not over my eyes, it is actually on my cheeks, the top of my cheeks, it's over my face anyway. So yeah, not we at all, I am going in with that little pattern over my fake freckles, and just laying that rainbow across my face, basically, which looks absolutely beautiful. After I have done the base of the rainbows, I decided I would quite like some extra sparkliness. So I do go in with some pigments from the Colour Shack, and I go over the corresponding colours. So I have a blue to go over the blue, a purple to go over the purple, green to go over the green, a yellow to go over the yellow, an orange to go over the orange, and a red to go over the red. So I do that. You can't really see on the camera how sparkly it gives, like a sheen. It's very pretty. And once I have done that, I will be going in with a eyeliner. I use the L'Oreal Super Liner, which is a nice thin, skinny, like felt tippy liner. I did a little wing, nothing too dramatic, quite puny actually, but you know what? I was happy with it. Popped some mascara on. I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Lash Paradise? L'Oreal Paradise. Yep, you know the one. I use that as my mascara, and then on the lips I used a NYX lip gloss. It was one of the plumping ones, which isn't very plumpy, I must say. It's got a slight minty tingle, but nothing like the Soap and Glory Mother Plucker. That, whew, that has a kick. So I decided now to remove those little stars because I thought that I would expose some cute little star shaped freckles in like skin tone, but um, they're not that great. I wish I just left the stars on and be done with it, but you know, we live and learn. So yeah, if you do try this, then leave your little stars on. Although you know you can see that they're stars, but no, I wish I'd left my colourful stars on. You tell me which one you prefer. I hope you enjoyed this. It's a bit of fun, a bit of crazy, creative, but easy and fun little look. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.